Right guys, welcome back to another action-packed episode. We have today a stunning 992 Turbo S. I was just thinking which one because we've got a few in at the minute, but the one that we're going to put in this video, we have an ES800 being done on that, and that car's top quality. So yeah, we'll be taking you through that car, see what it makes. That's getting a full package ES800. And we've also got some updates on the HURACAN TT. Finally, it's on the dyno. We're going to be running that on pump fuel, and then yeah, we'll see what that makes power-wise as well. So stay tuned and keep watching.
So as you can see behind me here, we've got a stripped down 992 Turbo S. We're doing our full ES800 package, another one that's going to be hitting the road very soon. So this one, like the rest of them as well, have got our custom ES manifolds. It's got our hybrid turbos, custom ES intake kit. It's got these Wagner intercoolers now, as you can see above me here, with all the carbon shrouds and that as well, which, yeah, it looks really smart, to be fair. It really does. We're just running the meth lines and the vacuum line at the moment, so I can get the meth and that plumbed in, and then the car will be pretty much going on the dyno, get tuned, and then, yeah, depending on weather, we'll see what it's like. But it's been raining most of the day today, so maybe tomorrow morning we can dyno it, and then the customer will come and collect the car. So, not dyno it, sorry. Let me cut that bit out. So, depending on the weather, obviously, we don't know if we're going to draggy it. So hopefully tomorrow or later today, it brightens up a little bit, the roads dry up, we can take her out on a draggy and yeah, hit some good numbers. So yeah, stay tuned for this one.
Right guys, so the ES800 is now complete and done. This is tuned on pump fuel only and on pump and meth. So it made 890 at the wheels with pump and meth. So that's on Shell V-Power plus methanol only. So that's well over 1,000 horsepower for that tune there. And you can see the torque is very linear as well. As soon as it comes in, it's holding that all the way to the end. And the same with the power graph as well, it's quite linear. So that's 1,047 horsepower at the crank, 1,050 bhp, which is crazy, yeah. On pump fuel alone, without meth, it made 808 at the wheels. So it's almost 100 wheel horsepower difference between meth and without meth. This car, we would expect it to be doing 100 to 200 in about 3.9 to 4 seconds. If you take a look outside, it's absolutely soaking wet, and there's Goodyear tyres on this, and the car's actually ready to go over there. You can see that there's somebody there waiting to take it home. So yeah, we're not going to be able to drag this one here, unfortunately. I'm sure the new owner is going to be getting us some numbers soon, so we will update as and when he has got them. He's going to change his tyres first. There's some Michelins as well, because like I said, the Goodyears are not great at all. So we'll keep you posted with that. But yeah, from other cars that we've done with this power figure, it's around about 3.9 to 4 seconds, 100 to 200. And then when the new owner does get the numbers with his Reeboks or draggy, then we'll keep you posted on that as well.
The next day.
So welcome back again, guys. As you can see right next to me here, the Performante is on the dyno. Yeah, we've had a few ups and downs with the car. It's taken my soul from me, this car. Blood, sweat, tears, stress, but I got there in the end. That's all that matters now, and it is running. We've done a few runs on it yesterday, just a few base pulls and stuff like that, so Emre's going to connect very shortly, and yeah, we're going to up the boost, see what we can get to with this. It's only running on pump fuel at the moment, so once the pump's done, we'll take it out, test it, make sure everything's okay with the car. We'll get it back on, we'll put race fuel in it, and then yeah, we can see where we go. But as you can see, I've got a smile on my face now because I got there. Let's see.
Right guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you keep subscribed. We're going to have more on the Lambo with some figures coming out in next week's video. So keep watching and stay tuned.